Thank you. All right. Check it out, guys.
I wonder who thinks of these. They're like, we're just gonna load it up with just everything. Anything you can put in there, we're just loading it up.
I've done a couple of freak shakes, but not to this extent.
There's freaking lollipops in there, like,
it's insane. It's like never to this extent. Yep. Thank you. All right. Check it out, guys. Hey everyone, James from FunFoods. We're here at downtown Disney, and I got this freak shake. This is a strawberry shortcake freak shake. It is amazing. It has everything in it. It has a strawberry shortcake, little ice cream bar, has some candy over here. Just amazing. So
360.
Yeah, look at that. 360 video. How about that? But yeah, look, and even a cherry on top, because
nice.
Why not?
How's the cherry? Don't swallow the stem.
Tastes just like a cherry.
Nice.
Amazing. So we're gonna dig into this first.
Good Lord.
Lots and lots of whipped cream. Don't even know what kind of ice cream. I think it's vanilla. It's good.
What are we tasting?
Wow.
What's going on in your buds?
It's vanilla ice cream, but the strawberry syrup they put on there kind of blends in, so it makes it almost, I don't know if you can see that, you might not pick it up on camera, but it's turning like red.
Yeah, I see that, yeah.
In person you can see it. So it is having a little bit of that strawberry flavor to the vanilla ice cream. It's really good. If I had my choice, I'd put actually strawberry ice cream in there too, just for fun. Amazing. And thanks to Arcade Matt for filming this.
Oh, hey, no problem.
Because there's no way I could film and eat all this at the same time.
Dude, that would be talent right there, man. Dude, that's nuts. I just can't believe how big these are.
Amazing.
It's ridiculous. Then you got a popsicle still? Good Lord. Now what are you getting out of that? Just
vanilla ice cream.
So it's like a milkshake.
Basically, it's a milkshake.
It's a milkshake on steroids, guys. Basically is what this is.
Exactly. Let's get some of these. It's like crumbs. Like, how am I doing? Like sponge cake crumbs, basically.
Oh, okay. Probably like one of those channels that just eats stuff.
I know.
And get
that's
like
what I need to do.
2 million views.
Was a mukbang, whatever.
Yeah. 20 minutes of you just devouring this whole thing. Here we go.
Yeah. I'll get my watch time up.
That's probably so rich though, huh?
It's not actually.
Really?
It's actually quite bland. It's not. Let's see.
Yo, you lost your pop.
No biggie. I don't care about that part.
I saw it going down too, guys. I couldn't. It's actually still good. It's in the wrapper.
So I'll just lay it on the side for now.
Yeah. It could have been worse. Could have been that.
Yeah. That's cool though.
Good Lord. I bet that's good. My stepdad loves those.
Oh yeah,
popsicles.
these are good. I love these things. It's amazing.
It's like the ultimate strawberry thing. What was it again? Strawberry what? What was the flavor?
Strawberry shortcake.
Shortcake. It's like the ultimate.
Not bad.
It's probably even better with the whipped cream. That popsicle.
Whipped cream's very bland too. It doesn't have much flavor to it.
Yeah, which is good because you don't want to get sick like eating it, you know?
No, you want to. That's
right.
what the whole point is.
You want to get sick. Yeah, but see, now you're at least eating it. You're finishing a lot of it.
I didn't think I'd be able to, but
sometimes I get like rich things and I'm able to, I take 3 bites and I'm like, ugh.
It's pretty good.
So what's that on the outside? Is that the actual?
That's the crumb, the same crumbs they sprinkled on top there.
Oh,
It's like
okay. Is it like
packed it in there good?
Oh yeah, is it frozen or?
Well, it's almost stuck because they packed it in so good that it's
I
like. See, because like.
Oh yeah. I see. I got it. Interesting.
It's like they use frosting They put frosting around the top of it.
Yeah.
And then they push that cake, that crumbled up sponge cake, all around it.
Oh, I see.
So it's basically the same thing as a strawberry shortcake pop.
Right.
But they just made it in milkshake.
Right.
So that's what they did.
Nice. That's crazy. Look at all this. That's really neat how it actually looks in the bottom there. Get it to focus here.
Strawberry.
Yeah. It's like a lava lamp almost down there. It's magical. That's cool. All your strawberry stuff's going down there. Some vanilla ice cream down there. And then you get like a milkshake at the end. That's pretty sweet. He's going to town. He's doing good, guys. Look at this. And we just ate probably an hour and a half ago-ish.
Not that long ago.
Yeah, not too long ago. I'm proud of you, James. You're doing good.
Professional eater.
You should try making this.
I did a Freakshake. I did Samoa's Girl Scout cookie Freakshake.
Oh, okay.
Check it out if you haven't already.
There you go. Link it in the description.
Oh, Reese's. I did Reese's Freakshake.
Oh my God. My mom would love that. She loves those eggs, those peanut butter eggs that they're real thick. I'm like, that's a little too much peanut butter for me. She's like, no, there's never too much peanut butter.
I feel like the guy who just like did that Nathan's hot dog eating challenge. Like, I feel like my face is just covered with all. So yeah, I feel like that Nathan's guy just like a whole bunch of like hot dog stuff all over my face.
You're actually you're not. You're like.
But I feel that way. I know it's I'm not. But
right, I know.
Oh look, I was able to dig down in there and go to the side and get the strawberry.
Oh man. Let us know, guys, in the comments. Is this satisfying? I bet you it is.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
So after this, we're gonna get an Oreo one for Matt to eat.
No. I'll take 2 bites and I'll be like, I'm done.
I'm done. You could have gave it to that kid. He wouldn't.
That's true. Yeah, I should have did that.
I'm bringing this back with me on my plane. It's from Arcade.
Arcade. We need to save it. Freeze it.
That's funny.
His saliva's in there. Well, you should try maybe selling this on eBay. Look, James's saliva, guys.
Yeah.
He ate this. You can freeze it. Jeez.
All over my face.
Wow. Yeah,
I really shouldn't make it messy. It'd probably be better for
you should just went like.
Yeah.
You should just put your face in there like one of those 2-year-olds' birthday parties. Just right in there.
Crazy.
I think that was a good one to get. If I were to get one, I'd probably get that or the. They had Fruity Pebbles ones over there too that looked good. You can't go wrong with strawberry though.
All right, everyone, so we were downtown Disney and that was our strawberry shortcake Freakshake, which is really cool. I haven't finished it yet, but I'm gonna still work on it. I doubt I'll finish the whole thing, but it's not bad. I ate more than I thought I would. So it's really cool. Highly recommend it. Come here to, what's it called? Black Tap. And they have burgers and shakes, and it's really cool. They make Oreo ones really good. I wish they had Reese's because I would definitely have done that, but they didn't. Darn. So that's it. Check it out. Thanks again to Matt for shooting for
Hey,
this.
no problem,
and,
man.
That's all I can do, guys. I can't eat too much more. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like. And don't forget to check out my latest video here. And also watch this cool video over here. And don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.